how to spoiler images on Discord mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to add spoiler tags to images on Discord mobile so they can stay hidden until someone chooses to reveal them. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Discord app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once inside the app, go to the random chats where you want to send the image, and once inside the chat, simply tap on the plus icon shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on that icon, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, simply scroll down and select the image that you want to send. And once you have selected the image, just send the image. And here, as you send the image, you will notice that the image will be sent normally and you won't see any spoiler effect in it. And here, to make the image a spoiler, you need to rename the file before sending it. So close the Discord app and simply open the File Manager app. And now here in this app, simply search for the image that you want to send and select the image. And here, once you have selected the image, simply tap on the More option shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, simply tap on Rename, and once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can see the image current name. So delete that name and simply type all caps spoiler underscore at the very beginning of the file name, and after that you can put the name as you want. For this video, I'm going to simply name it random, and once you're done with that, simply tap on OK. And here, once you have renamed the image, simply go back to the Discord app, and here, once you are inside the Discord app, just tap on the plus icon and select the rename image and simply send it. And here, once you send the image to the chats, your image will appear blurred with a spoiler tag, and no one will be able to see it until they tap to reveal it. And that's it. It's an easy way to spoiler images on Discord mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.